So usually when I have this blue mat, it usually means I'm doing something with the watch. And as you can see, we have this Christopher Ward. It's not mine. It's on loan from Christopher Ward. But when it came, I found that the bronze already was oxidation, which is totally normal. So basically, that's the process that the bronze ages with you wearing it. So everybody wears their watches differently. Some sweat, each of our sweat is different. Activities, it's different. So maybe if you go swimming or if you're working a whole day in the sun, it will age different when you're wearing it. So I thought I would make a video, which is a small process that doesn't require much work, but at the same time can help you if you're buying a bronze watch used. Of course, bronze watches are one of the watches that you want to get it new, because then you get to, let's say, form it as your experience of watch wearing. So basically, the way you wear it is the way it will discolor, or let's say patina, over time. But you can actually reverse this process by using citrus. So I have here an old lemon that I have, and basically what we will do is put some lemon juice on the watch. Right, I'm just trying to, everything's closed. So I have here lemon juice, and then I get a small cloth to polish the watch with. Nothing abrasive, just a normal cloth. Oops, sorry, I was out of frame. And as you can see, if I polish the watch hard enough, the color comes back. And if you want to accelerate even this process, as you can see, it's getting back its luster and its color even between the lugs. And we'll do the same thing. So let's do it with the buckle, with the tongue, buckle, tongue. So the idea is that the citrus reverses the oxidation of the bronze metal, and as such gives it its new look, let's say, or at least newish look, because it doesn't come back totally to zero position, let's say, but at least you will get an idea of the shininess of the bronze when it's polished. Instead of when you buy it used, you get a dulled watch. So I will try to, let's say, accelerate this process by putting it in more acidic, so more lemon juice, and then come back to you. So I cleaned it pretty much from all sides, as you can see, and it does look really nice. It matches also the buckle and the tongue. So let me get the strap. So this is not the original strap. The original strap is here. It's really nice, I have to say, and it does match the watch really well. But as an aquatic watch, so this is an aquatic watch, I thought I have to put it on rubber. And this was, I would say, not so the best one for the buckle. As you can see, there is a lot of play, but I'll show everybody that even though this one does have a little play, it does work quite okay. So we put this one here. In, and other side. In, and then this is how it looks on this black rubber strap. This is how it looks on my wrist. So this is the process if you want to bring your bronze watch back into, let's say, new condition or a newish condition. So you take off the patina, you just use some citrus fruit or citrus solution. Any acidic solution would do. I use citrus because it's non-harmful, and I have a lemon lying around, not being used for anything, would be thrown. So I thought I'd clean the watch before throwing it out. So if you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And as always, the subscription button is here, and you will have 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy. Thanks everybody for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.